what's up guys, my name is David and today I'll show you how to download Java for Windows 11. So first we have to open an internet browser like Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, however, and let's search Java for Windows 11. Don't forget that I will leave all the links down below in the description of this video. So right now we have to go to on java.com official page /download, and from here we can hit download Java, and also the one I downloaded, it's version 8 right now, is the latest. I will press Ctrl and J, and here are all my downloads. I will press show folder and let's run it. Yes, I will confirm it because I trust Java. Yes, I want to change the destination folder, and let's press on install right now. Java will be installed within a couple of minutes. It's not very complicated to install. It's not a program with big dimensions. I want to install that in C. Yeah, it looks good to me. If you don't want to install that in C, you can change the destination folder from here. I will just hit next. Now Java will help you with tons of stuff, and also if you are a gamer you need Java to run Minecraft. So Java have many uses, and hopefully you can get it for free. Don't forget that I will leave all the useful links down below in the comment section. And Java just has been successfully installed. You have successfully installed Java. Alright, let's just close this Windows, and I want to check in the search bar. I can search for settings. Then let's hit the apps and install apps, and let's search for Java. Yeah, Java 8 update 3.8.1. So this was the tutorial about how to install Java on Windows 11, guys. Don't forget that I will leave all the useful links down below in the description of this video. If you have any questions, don't forget to leave a comment down below in the comment section. If nobody will respond to you, I will get to you as soon as possible. I want to thank you a lot for watching, and please have the greatest day you can possibly have. Have a great day.